I'm playing God knows what. Um, um, can I get a um, um, yeah, so if you've ever watched like No Country for Old Men, or if you've like never even searched up No Country for Old Men, you're gonna see something like this. I'll put it on screen now. So that is basically, well, let's go backwards. So that's basically what we're doing today. Cam, what the hell is in the sky? Okay. Oh, what the hell? How is he out? Don't be turning towards me. Reversing. The wheels are pointing towards me a bit. Um, apparently all I gotta do is just, right, go. Right, guys, we have a problem. Probably have a problem. Brace for impact. What do you mean brace for impact? Oh shit. Oh shit, what aisle is he coming down? Right, we're gonna hide right in the employees only. Feel like that is safe. I'm gonna stop being a pussy. Where is he? Go see him? He's gonna pop on the corner now. Just have a feeling. Where is he? Shit, he's over there. Shh. Oh, well. Ooh, give me gas. Is he coming? Toilet paper. Looks so AI that. Let's wait. Um, I have no idea what that was. Cool. Right, where do we hide? Anton, no. Let's go over here. Oh. Uh, shit. Get in the bakery. Whoa. Is he coming down this way already? Nope. Right here. Gonna hide right. Actually, there was no. Uh-oh. As my friend's frog said, uh, I don't know. Oh, meat. Ah, showed me. It's a big Q fail play. It's killing people quite quickly. Oh, KSI LeBron. I s- right. These only came over here once, and that was about 3 seconds. Uh-oh. Getting a bit. Is he just... Is he good? Is Anton... Uh-oh. I think we have a problem now. Oh, dude, behind you. Got two to lose. Ranking you. Anton. See? Uh-oh, he's reversing. He's reversing. Guys. Oh. Anton. Dude. Is this really how fast the tractor goes? Yo, Anton, buddy, hoo hoo. Oh. Buddy, oh bud. I think I found the cheat code, just don't go in a straight line with him. Yeah, buddy. Frank. Behind you. Ha! Ah. Easy ass game. What? She comes from the back room, so I'm just gonna follow these lads. I feel like they know where they're going. You know, I honest to God feel like that. Ooh, give me gas. Talk about that, Lobo. Dude, where are we going? Where are you? Uh-oh. I just saw the tractor behind me. Well, Anton Chigger. Holy shit. Dude, I got fucking goosebumps from that. I just shit myself. Uh-oh. 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 Guys, what are you doing? Anton? There's gonna be a massacre. One. The hell? There's like 5 of them by here. Hello? Anton, but I think you need to listen to that stop sign, you know. Dude, he's just driving like a madman, you know. Run. Yeah, no. I'm running. Shit, he's going to probably turn this way, right? Lady? Sir? Sir, please move. Don't come this way, Anton. Uh-oh. Yeah. What? But I hope something good. You know, that I name it to. Give us not. Whole channel might just fall off. And by the way, thank you for the views on the last one. The bunch of views. Obviously, 70. I think it's like 8. I mean, it's Anton time. Oh my lord. Let's go, lads. But still, I am thinking of renaming it. Get me in the tractor. I am Anton. Where are they? Where are they? What is this tune in my ears? Where is everyone? No idea where anyone is. You know what? It's time to Anton. Now I see you. I know someone's over here. More than defo. Quite frankly, I see you, my friend. I see you. Obviously, let's just destroy some of these walls. Oh, this is actual Anton. Where is everyone? Am I just stupid? There's someone. Am I actually stupid? Or did I not just see a little black fella? Yo lads, I am finished at this game. First and last time being Anton. And then I look for the little bark clouds because they give us gas. No, I just don't see them. Oh, hello. Goodbye, oh. Don't wear a red avatar in a game where you're supposed to hide. Unless you know there's definitely going to be red. Let's just go this way now. Where could anyone be? I said I did have quite a decent job though, you know. Oh. Aye! I did quite a decent job in my opinion. Well, I didn't do this whole area here. No wonder why so many people lived. You know what, I'm gonna end the video here. I've been at this for like 30 minutes now. Wasted my time. The Archer Trolling video number 2 will be coming out soon. See you lot later. Have a good day or night, whenever I'm posting this.